from sonsofcane.com. This is the second part of the Drunken Cane. As usual, my associate, Chris.
And with me is my GBF, Kev.
Who's GBF?
Look it up. So, more adaptation of what we've done, bit of an extension. Please subscribe so that you get to see all the videos and you get notified as well.
As on the first video, we have the cane close in, the crook slightly angled, and we did a clockwise motion, followed by a counterclockwise, with the pull up and the strike in. And the body was going forward and rolling side to side, then you really lean back and you get the strike. We're going to extend this slightly now, so Chris is going to come in and do a very light grip for me. So again, the first part's the same, the cane's in, it's forward, back, down, back, forward, and once you get to here, you're going to throw yourself back in the chair. So the cane comes up. Chris is going to walk in. As he walks in, I'm coming down and hit to the head. I'm then going to go backwards, and as I go backwards, I'm going to drag with the cane to this part, aim for the sternum, push and turn the wrist. With that turn, can't do it with Chris in the way because of his sternum. Just go to one side, the hung-gar motion, and it will just drive straight through and give you a lot of power. So just go through one more time. It's the clockwise motion with the back and roll, and clockwise, really pull up. Chris had a bit of a strong grip there, and obviously going slow, it doesn't give you that full force. Comes up to here, hands coming into guard, I'm striking down, pulling back, and striking with the whole cane. Push in, push forward, hung guard. And now Chris is going to do an able-bodied person.
So when we looked at the form kind of starts with the 2 cups, and then you're taking a drink, and then you're offering the cup, which is where we got this idea from. So Callum grabs the cane, I'm going to rotate it one way, rotate it the other, I'm going to lean back, then I'm going to offer him the cup. And then I'm going to drive through. I'm not going to do this because it's really painful, but then you could drive through and do the rotation depending on the situation. So it might be left hand, right hand. So just a little add-on for this. So we've rotated, come round, we've thrown the drink away, we've offered him the cup, we've driven on. If you've got some resistance and I can't push, all I have to do is strike that. If I really want to, change hands, hit the cane. You've seen this double tap, we've done it on a few videos, striking in there. If you get it on the sternum and do this, it's very, very painful. Even across here, we've got the floating ribs, gallbladder 26, suprasternal notch, the throat, if you really mean, the third eye point. So there's lots of targets, a little bit of pinpoint poking.
Thanks for watching, guys. As you can see, we've just gone on from the first video. We've adapted it a little bit further, put some more strikes in. Keep them comments coming, we love them. And please, just keep sharing it. It's absolutely fantastic.
At some point, what we're going to be looking at is the first form, which ironically is called the crippled beggar. So, we thought it was rather apt. As usual, ring the bell to receive notifications and free the fear.
What are you saying?